Oh man, is it cold. Brr. But it's hard to cook wearing a coat, so let's strip off some of this stuff. Okay, y'all. Trying something different, and it'll probably be a complete failure, but you never know. I turned around my griddle so I can face you while I'm talking to you, and ooh, it's made of worms. Hopefully you can see the food, but at least you can see me, or unless my head's cut off. Should I stand like this? I don't know. Raja, don't rub on the internet. The neighbor's cat's trying to rub on you. Pet the cat, internet. Hey, don't do that. She loves to rub on the tripod. So, what we have today is burgers. What? Another burger video? Yes. Raja, stop that. Sorry. Anyway, this is ground beef from a local butcher shop, Shalub's. Everything I've cooked from them so far, we got a box for Christmas of good meats. Everything's been excellent. Even came with their original seasoning, which I'll sprinkle on. And we got some sausages. Gilbert's Bourbon apple chicken sausage. We'll see how all this turns out. And it's warm. Okay. I'm at 3, about halfway this time. Got it turned up a little higher than normal. And let's see here. I should have a knife. What happened to my knife? I lost my knife. Okay, that's it. I quit. I'm going home. I think I left my knife inside. Yeah, I need my knife. You wait there. Don't go away. We'll be right back. Keep an eye on the fire for me. Enjoy the pretty view. Isn't that a pretty view? Okay, now I think we have everything. Hopefully. If there's a little noise, ignore it. There's a tiny house being built just over there. Not for me. Although tiny house does have its merits, I don't know if I'd even fit in the door one. He made a fat joke. So here we go with the yummy ground beef patty. Just look at that. Ooh. Wearing oh, there's 3. I thought it was 2. They're wearing diapers, and in a minute and grab my sanitizer. But in the meantime, sprinkle just a little of this Shalub. Very heavy on the salt. And we have Weber gourmet burger seasoning, because these are definitely gourmet burgers. We can be a little more generous with this. And I'm going to pick one at random. Trader Joe's green and red hatch chili. I love this stuff. They better not discontinue it, because it's not a foot top. And I guess I'll pick this one and hope I remember which is which. Actually, don't tell. I've been using salads, soups, cereal. This stuff's awesome. My new favorite all-purpose everything seasoning stuff. I'm going to use a little spatula. This one came from grocery, Smart and Final Grocery. And it works really good. It's got nice beveled edges, better than the expensive ones, the barbecue ones. So I'm watching for the juices to come up inside yet. Probably go ahead and add the sausages too. While I'm at it, just stick them over here. Look, individually wrapped. Why would they do that? Now I have to individually unwrap them. I'm starting to get juice coming up. I like my burger like medium rare, like it should be. But my lovely assistant, she likes hers well done. And that's okay. What you like is what you like. I pick on her all the time, but seriously, everyone has an opinion. Having opinions about someone else's opinion isn't cool, though. That's why I deleted my Twitter. The world has gotten crazy, and I didn't need to add to it. So, these are, they look good, they smell good. Do a little bit more of a easy sprinkle. Usually I end up spilling half a cup when I try to sprinkle like this, but it's working perfectly. The gourmet. It's in the gourmet. Salt, onions, spices, garlic, sugars, chili powder, rice concentrate, tomato powder, red bell pepper, then natural smoke and grill flavors, paprika extractors for color. And just a little more. Just enough to give it a little extra bite. The burgers say, or the sausages say they're having a good time. They're popping and bopping. Yeah. My patio runs a little downhill because, you know, there's a mountain. So the grease, I'm used to it going into the trap. Now it's trying to attack me. Coming along good. We're doing good. You know what else we need? Buns. Gonna use mayonnaise. If you haven't tried toasting your buns with mayonnaise, you're missing out. Grilled cheese loves the mayonnaise instead of butter. And I like using ranch. I think I need a little more. Ranch gives you just a little bit of extra flavor. I was a little too chintzy with my mayonnaise, so and I know the burgers are getting pretty close. Smells so good. Okay. Put you here maybe. Ta-da! Okay. I'm just going to throw everything around. Make a mess. I'm good at that. Oh yeah, sausages are about done. Burgers are pretty much done. I know you're not supposed to press down on your burgers, but they're cupping a little bit. And I don't have my press handy, so I'm trying to combat the cupping. So, is this too hot? That's probably too hot. Ooh, that's too hot. We'll take a bite in a minute. We can turn this off though. Looky. And your buns will cup too. Sometimes you gotta give them a little press. But you can also put grease on the bottom of your, the bottom side of your bun. So, almost ready. Almost ready, Raja. You don't like the noise? It's too noisy. Okay. What I like to use, special sauce. Or Trader Joe's has awesome sauce. Sometimes it's secret sauce. But that's my flavor of choice. Look how pretty. Look at it. Look at it. So, the gourmet burger. Doesn't even need the sauce. I love the char. We all love the char. That's why we like smash burgers. Okay. Sausage. It's bourbon apple. I think it needs cooked a little more, maybe. But we're done. I may do these one more flip. Get a little bit more char. But sausages aren't as good as I thought they might be. The burger is every bit as good as I hoped it would be. Hold on. It's yummy. Just looky there, looky there. Anyway, that's what's going today. Thanks for watching, thanks for following, thanks for subscribing, sharing, thumbs upping, hearting, all that stuff. And most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!